Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So today we'll discuss about the page layout in our Microsoft Word. I'm making a video series on Microsoft Word. You can check my playlist from my YouTube channel, and if you have any kind of confusion in previous video, you can ask me in the comment section also. So today we are discussing about the page layout. How can you set your page layout in Microsoft Word? Is too much easy, and you can ask me in the comment section also. So I'm typing something here. You can see here is a paragraph inside my document, and there are lots of sections available inside the page layout. For the first one is page setup, and the second one is paragraph, and the third one is arrange sections available. Okay, so first of all we will discuss from the page setup. So the first option is margins. The margin means space. So how many space you want to left? See, here is a space of maybe 1 inch. If you click in the margins, see, if I click in the 1 inch, see, in my left side also 1 inch space, and in my top side also 1 inch space. It is also known as a margins in Microsoft Word. So how many space you want to leave in your document, in that case you have to use margins. And another option is available is orientation. From the orientation there is only two mode available. One is portrait, another is landscape. If you want to work in a vertical page, in that case you have to choose portrait mode, and if you want to work in horizontal page, in that case you have to choose landscape. And another option is available size. From here you can choose the size of your document, which size you want to work. If you want to work in A4 size, then in that case you have to choose A4, and there are lots of size available inside the size menu. See, there is A4, A5, A6, lasers, A3, 5x7, 5x8, lots of size available, and you can choose your required size. And another option is columns. It's very useful when you are typing newspaper. See, now I'm using only one columns, and first of all you have to select your document and just go to in the columns and just choose. Now I'm using one column, right? And from here, how many columns do you want to use? I think if you want to use 3 column, just you have to select 3 column. See, now it's in the 3 column, right? But see, there is only until only till 3, right? And if you want to what to do for this, you have to go in more columns, and from here number of columns, just you have to put 4 and it will work. Okay, now see, now I have 4 columns inside my document. And another option is breaks available. Before also we discussed about the breaks in the insert menu. See, there is a page break option available. If you want to if you want to put your paragraph in separate pages, in that case you have to use breaks. Just wait for a moment to see. There is, I have 3 paragraphs, right? And if I want to make separate the third paragraph, in that case you have to go breaks and just click in page break. Now see, my third paragraph is in my second page, right? So you can also use this one. And another option is line number. If you want a line number, in that case you can use this one. See, there is a line number, right? There are lots of options available. One is continuous, and another is restart each page. See, there is also, and another also available restart each sections. Now see, they're also available. There are lots of option. You can use the suppress also. Yeah, it's also useful options, but now I'm making none. Another option is hyphenation. If you want to use hyphen, in that case you have to use hyphenation and make it automatic. Now see, there is in the reading, in the first line there is a read, right? And in, sorry, just wait for a minute, I'll use the line number. You can see, okay, just wait for a moment, what's happening here. Maybe it's not working. Yeah, you can see here in my 12 number line there is a one read, and in the 13 number line there is a ing. So it's the benefit of hyphenation, and you can also use this one. Another option is indents. Again it's repeating, but I'm also repeating this one. Indents means if you want to give space before your paragraph, in that case you have to use indents. See, there is a 0-inch space right now, but if you increase this one, see, now our indents is sorry, our paragraph spacing is increasing before our paragraph, right? So you can also use indents. Another options available is spacing. From here you have to use if you want to increase and decrease the space of your line, in that case you have to use spacing. So how many space you want to use, or how many, see, from here you can set the space of your paragraph. And another options available, position. Before also we discuss in the insert menu, but I'm repeating again. See, if I have two shapes, right, and from the position, just wait for a moment, I will make it the zoom only. How many? I think I should to make it only 50%. Yeah, see, it is my page. And from the format, see, there is a position also available, and you can put your shape in the top left, top center, top right, in the center, right, left, bottom center, bottom right. So you can choose your right position from here. And from the wrap text, where you want to put your shapes, you want to put your shape inside in front of your text, or you want to make it behind text. If you make it behind text, from here your shape or your images will be backside of your text. And from the scene backward, just wait for a moment, I'll bring another shape also, and I'll make it the zoom 100%. Okay, now see, I have two shapes inside my documents, right? So from here, if you want to from the page layout also same option available. From the first option is bring forward. See, now I have a rectangle shape and another is arrow shape, right? So if you want to bring the arrow shape in front of the arrow shape, in that case you have to use bring forward, or you can directly use bring to front also. And another option available is send backward. See, my rectangle shape is in front of the arrow shape, so if I want to send inside in the back side of the arrow, in that case you have to use send backward. And another option is selection pan available. From the selection pan, see, there is how many shapes available inside my document, it's showing me. And if I want to hide this one, just click in the hide all, and if you want to show this one, just click in the show all. Now see, it's done, right? So from the selection pan you can show or hide your shapes and images. And from the align, you can give the position where you want to put before, like the positions. And another option is group available. If you want to group your shapes, first of all you have to select the objects and just select it. And from the format you have to go to in group and make it group. Now see, our shape is grouped, right? Now if you want to ungroup it, just go to in ungroup and make it ungroup. Okay. And from the rotate also, you can rotate your shape from here, and you can flip also. You can flip horizontally, you can flip vertically also. So it's the benefit of the page layout. You can the most important section is page setup. You have to use this one, and if you don't know how can you page setup, then it will be too much problem for you also. That's why you have to know about the page setups. Hoping you understand about how can you page setup and how can you set your page, how can you set margins, how can you set orientation. So if you have any kind of confusions, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't hesitate to ask me. I'll try to give answer of your every questions as per as possible. So Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll meet with you in another video with a new topic, and thank you so much for once again. Goodbye, see you again.